Yep, plane going by. Anyway, I thought I'd give you a little taste of it from out here and get started with 3 at 3. You know the drill. 3 at 3, we try to give you unusual option activity where we're seeing it, and this is March 12th. Disclaimer says that this presentation is made for informational and educational purposes only. Full stop. Intellectual property rights, yes, we have patents, trademarks, copyrights, and registered marks, believe it or not, on almost everything you're about to see. So please, before you reproduce it in any fashion, ask us first. All right, DraftKings, yeah, this one continues to work. And yes, this is expiration for that March 12th 68 call. How did that work out? Well, pretty well. Stock traded to 74 about an hour ago when I was in the plane and before I landed. So that's a pretty good jump. Went to $6, those calls did. Obviously, the right to buy it at 68 is worth the difference between that and where the stock's trading. When it was trading 74, that's $6. Yeah, that'll put a little gas in the jet. Also, wanted to let you guys know that Pete and I are proud owners of a significant portion of Voyager. And we're letting you know that Voyager sponsors our daily Crypto Bytes show. You can subscribe to that, all of our videos, by going to YouTube and typing in Market Rebellion. You just click on subscribe and you'll get all of it, folks. And it's free. Nothing, doesn't cost you a penny. And if you'd like to join our crypto trading room, thousands of people have done that already. $1 for the first month, $29 thereafter. So if you'd like to join Matt Montemayor and CJ, two guys that were mining back when it wasn't cool, but when it was very, very profitable for them, they now run that crypto room, and they're two of the best crypto rebels you'll ever hear. So make sure you check it out. Bang. Boeing, yeah. How about this one, folks? Today we noticed they're buying the April 1st 270 calls with the stock at 263. Now, if you're like me, you could buy the 265s and sell a higher strike. In fact, that is what I did. These are the 1st of April expiration, April 270 calls. So just out of the money, and we joined them. And there is the stock. It was earlier today 263, now 266.80. And take a look at the volume. It's another thing we always like to look at, and that volume is already overwhelming the 3-month average. Bang! That'll work. I really do think you should go to our YouTube website. That's youtube.com. You type in Market Rebellion. You click that subscribe button. You get hundreds of videos for free. You get Pete's The Take. You get our daily Crypto Bite with Matt and CJ. I already spoke about it. You get my 3 at 3. You get my podcasts. You get everything for free. Go check it out, okay? Tell a friend about it, too. All right, let's talk about CAN, C-A-N. Bullish call buying in CAN just below $39 a share. 6,000 of those March 45 calls traded. So that's a lot. 600,000 share equivalent. And they are some $6 out of the money. So again, I'm going to buy the at the money and sell the out of the monies because that's what I like to do. And that's what I did. There's CAN. CAN has moved up slightly. Oops, no, did it? No, I'm sorry. What did it? It moved down slightly, sorry. From 39, so you got a better entry here, 37.04. Heavy volume also. 22 million shares versus 17 million. So you're getting in at a cheaper price. If you like this one, $5.8 billion company, check it out. And of course, tonight at midnight, it expires our $400 discount. 400 big ones. Again, you decide what you want to spend that on. You want to spend it on a new pair of skis? You want to spend it on a ticket to Vegas and a hotel room in Vegas? You want to spend it on bottle service over there with Mr. Steve Aoki over at Hakkasan? Go ahead. Whatever you want to spend it on, it's your 400. We're giving you that break until midnight tonight. Go check it out, my friends. MarketRebellion.com. That early bird pricing ends tonight at midnight. All right, how about this one? SOS. Yeah, this is one of those social media darlings. This one's been all over the place. And it's also been on Reddit, Wall Street Bets, and all that kind of stuff. Well, stock 682, they're buying the March 8s. So that's 1 week from now expiration. This is the 12th. 1 week from now, the 19th, these calls expire. Taking a cheap shot on these calls being pushed higher. And there it is, 686. Plenty of time. Market cap 850 mil and 44 million shares had changed hands just after noon, I guess 12:30 Eastern time today. Got some questions? I got answers. Some of my questions are how much powders are going to be up there at Target and in Jackson Hole. But anyway, I'm answering your questions, so let's go. All right, Pop Culture 66 says, "Hi, John. Enjoy the slopes. Can you expand on your GameStop 350 call time spread from the other day? Curious how you get around the March 19th expiration issue if the March 12s expire worthless." Well, and they did, and they are expiring worthless. And you know what? Pull it up, folks, because I think I put this one on for like 32 bucks, 32 and a half. It's called 33 bucks. I don't care. Something like that. We were selling a big, fat call for like 14 bucks. That's way out of the money with 2 days to trade. And I bought the further out, the next week out. Well, the near term is expiring worthless, and the other ones hit 53 bucks today. So you know what that means? You cover your expiring worthless ones, or if you're a risk taker, I guess you could just let them go. And you sell out those 350s from next week. Plenty of volume there. And you could have taken 53 bucks off the table. Heck, if you took 50 bucks off the table, you got in for 33, that's $17 profit. That's a 50% return in 2 days, my friends. Yeah, that dog will hunt. So in